Many people, they find it simply overwhelming to manage their own and their family's healthcare decisions. Well, Banner Health strives to make that experience easier and provide a sense of relief so patients can exhale when it comes to their health. And here to show us how technology is improving healthcare, this is Christopher Stallings from Banner Health. Great to have you here. I love that we can just breathe a little bit. You guys really are kind of standing by that Exhale brand. Talk about the digital innovations going on right now at Banner Health.
Definitely, and healthcare can be just so hard to navigate. And so we're trying to use technology to help everyone make it a little simpler, especially because you're typically looking at healthcare for your whole family. You're looking at it for children, for maybe aged parents, and maybe even a spouse. And so making that easier, we're actually going to release a new app that puts all of our physicians at your fingertips.
And you know this, Christopher, we're already on our phones anyway. We're looking at some video right now of this technology in use. And it's a nurse on call is one of those components of this.
It is. And you know what? I think all of us wish that we had a nurse that was a friend that we could call up at any time and say, oh, what am I going to do? My child is having this issue. Where should I go? How should I tackle this problem? And when that happens at 2 a.m., it can be even more difficult. So this is a capability that we're offering for free.
24/7 care.
I mean, think about that. It'd be hard to talk to your friend at 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., but we're welcoming that.
And the cool thing, the app is not out just yet. It is coming, but the nurse on call is there, as well as some other online services that you guys already have in place. Talk about some of those innovations as well.
Yeah, so we have a portal. It's called My Banner, and this portal is what our savvy patients use to look at all of their families' labs and x-rays and all of their records to help them manage that care. Because it can be overwhelming, we put it in one place so that you can do that for your family. I
mean, we're talking your vitals, we're talking x-rays, we're talking things you said you looked at one of your labs.
I did. I actually looked, and I was able to call him up and say, hey, I've seen this lab. What does it mean?
Okay.
And it starts that conversation. And really that conversation is something that your physician can really enable and help you to relax.
And it makes you an advocate.
It does.
Of your own health care, which is so important. Talk a little more about the tools that the app will provide.
Okay, so this app will actually expose all of our providers to you. You'll be able to create appointments, schedule those, and actually, if you can't get in right when you want to, we have an urgent care piece of the app that acts so that you can actually set an appointment just a few minutes out. And so when you arrive at the urgent care, they're ready for you.
Wow, so it's kind of like when we do a reservation at a restaurant?
That's exactly right.
Is it similar to that?
It's just as simple.
Okay. So we can make our reservation at the urgent care, because who wants to wait in a line when you're not feeling well?
Wait at home.
Or you're with your child. You don't want to be exposed to even more germs. So this is a big convenience. Why is Banner Health why is it so vital for you all to provide this convenience?
You know what, we understand care, and we've done a great job with the clinicians. But everything else surrounding that care can make the situation very difficult. And so what we're trying to do is make it so that as you manage the care of your family, all of those members of your family, that it becomes simple enough that you start to take time for yourself.
All right, you want to exhale, Christopher? Ready?
Yes.
There we go. Let Banner Health help you exhale. Great information. Thank you so much. The app, it is available soon at the App Store and Google Play. To access the 24/7 Nurse on Call hotline, please dial 844-259-9494. Be sure to save it to your phone contacts. It will be a convenience for you. For more information, visit bannerhealth.com.